Introduction. Barney is taking a stroll in the garden with her father. Barney wants to know why there are so many trees in the garden. Her father tells her that plants keep the air clean and fresh. Barney asks her father to tell her more about air. In this lesson, you will learn about air. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define air, list the components of air, define wind, list the uses of wind energy, suggest ways to keep air clean. Mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of 4 gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and hydrogen. Of the 4 gases, oxygen is the most important one. Animals and human beings need oxygen to live. Without it, they will die. Air has water vapor. Air has water vapor. Water present on Earth evaporates due to heat. The evaporated water is called vapor. It rises and mixes with air. Air has smoke. Air also contains smoke. The smoke emitted by vehicles, factories, etc. also mix with air and pollute it. The smoke in the air causes various diseases like asthma, bronchitis, etc. Air has germs. Air also contains many harmful germs like bacteria, virus, etc. These germs spread diseases like flu, measles, chickenpox, etc. Air has dust particles. Air also contains dust particles. You can see them moving when a ray of sunlight enters a room. These particles cause allergies and breathing problems. They also affect our eyes. Wind. Moving air is wind. Wind has direction. It always blows from one direction to another. Wind power. Wind has power. Windmills use the power of wind to generate electricity and pump water. Clean and fresh air. Animals and human beings need clean and fresh air to breathe. We can keep air clean by planting new trees, using public transport, covering short distances on foot or cycle, carpooling, not burning leaves, plastic and other garbage. Self-assessment. Hey kids, now it's time to have some fun. Match the column A with column B. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Air is essential for living. Air is a mixture of gases. Air contains water vapor, smoke, germs, and dust. Smoke, germs, and dust pollute air. Moving air is called wind. Wind has power. Windmills use wind power to generate electricity and pump water. We must keep air clean and fresh by planting more trees and using public transport.